Allie. I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Abby.
And today we are potting up some summer vegetables. We just harvested the potatoes. We reused the compost from the potatoes to refill all of these pots behind us. And now we're gonna do some really simple combinations with cucumbers, eggplants, peppers, and tomatoes. Like all the most important vegetables of the summer. And we're planting them right here along the back deck at the Airbnb because this is full afternoon sun and easy access to a hose. And I simply can't say it enough. The only thing that matters for successful container gardening is making the watering easy and convenient. And this is like the most easy and convenient spot that we have.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and get busy getting these planted. We're going to mulch them, and then we have cattle fence to go in front to be able to serve as, protection against the deer, because the deer are really bad, and also for the cucumbers and tomatoes to use as a cage. So I hope that you'll enjoy watching our process. So our final step before watering is to put the cattle fence panel in. And this is really multifaceted purpose. For one thing, we need something for the cucumbers to be able to attach to and ramble on, but we're really using this for deer defense. If we don't have cattle fence on it, the deer will absolutely eat it to the point of no return. We have a huge deer issue. It's only getting worse. So the cattle fence panels are great because they're galvanized steel. You can buy them at Tractor Supply. You can cut them to whatever size you want using bolt cutters. And you can cut them to be self-staking. And that's precisely what we did today. We cut it to the size we needed here, and then we cut the top part off, flipped it upside down, and now we're just gonna be able to shove it in the ground, and it will be sturdy, and we won't really have to mess with it again. The great thing is the holes are big enough that we can reach through with the hose to keep everything well watered. All right, we'll put it in. Okay. I think that's perfect. Okay, just like that. All right, well, now Abby's gonna go ahead and turn the hose on, get everything watered in, and we have got this area of container gardens completely replanted for the summer. I do hope that you will subscribe and stay tuned as we continue to give updates. We've got some really interesting things going on here, having some late season potatoes, a new experiment growing black madras rice, and then of course growing these tomato, eggplant, pepper, and cucumber combinations. I could see that we are going to have a lot of harvesting and a lot of canning in our future. Well, everybody, thanks so much for watching, and happy gardening.